alam mo kasi kung minsan ang procedure ng bureaucracy, kung minsan mahirap, hindi po kasi may pera, bibili ka na ng gano'n, hindi po gano'n sa gobyerno pala. As I am learning also kasi syempre for 6 months ko pa lang, di ba? So, I had addressed this and I had, kakatapos ko lang po din sa pagkakasalita kay Dr. Ragasa, pati ang aking inspection team, no? Kasi meron na po akong isang ginawang team to inspect yung supply ng mga medisina. And yes, oo, meron na rin pong medyo bumababa, but alam ko meron na rin pong maipapasok siguro by December 15 para to replenish all the different medicines na kailangan. Now, ang pagkasabi ko din po sa aking Dr. Ragasa kasi outpatient and emergency departments, nag-increase po ang mga pasyente. Kaya kung minsan parang the demand for the medicines have increased. So, hindi po yata na-anticipate yun. So, tapos meron pa pong implementation ng PhilHealth Yakap, which enhances yung primary care package ng government hospital. So, I had already instructed and asked Dr. Ragasa kung pwede, kasi matagal po yung proseso ng procurement, ano? So sabi ko kung pwede, ipasok na niya ang purchase request soonest para tuloy-tuloy po. Ang nangyayari kasi meron pang posting sa PhilGems, meron pang posting sa ganito, so talagang naaantala. But I had, knowing that this is the situation now, at sinabi ko, hindi na po pwede mangyari yun. As much as possible, wag na sila maghintay na bumaba pa masyado. Dapat constant na po ang pag-request nila para na-cover lahat ng mga pinakailangan ng gamot. So, I'm very sorry that it had to happen like that, but kasi po, I guess, learning curve, with me being new at all the procedures and although when I came in, I did a moratorium muna, but never with the medicines. The medicines had always been priority. Medicines and everything for the agriculture, sila po ang wala sa moratorium. Pero as I said, may learning curve, and right now I had asked, I already created an inspection team para palagi namin monitor ang supply and kung ano yung mga existing na gamot. So hopefully hindi na po ito mangyari.